24-year-old man electrocuted while changing a light bulb at his home. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details.
Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. 24-year-old Ronaldo McFarlane of Logwood District in Hanover died from injuries he received after being electrocuted at his home in the parish on Saturday, May 29. Reports from the Green Island Police are that about 11:25 a.m., McFarlane was attempting to change a light bulb when he came in contact with high-tension wires and was electrocuted. The police were summoned, and upon their arrival, McFarlane's body was seen with severe burns. He was transported to the hospital where his death was confirmed. The Lucifer Brigade was also summoned to extinguish the blaze, which was caused by the wires. The investigations are ongoing into the incident. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.